Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming foldable smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, outperforms the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Here are the top 3 key upgrades, price, and launch date of the next generation foldable smartphone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. When the Samsung will launch the Galaxy Z Fold 7, one should expect gigantic leaps above the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The foldable phone this year is far more premium in design, has better performance, and better cameras to make way for a blockbuster launch. Number 1. Design and display. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 left everyone impressed last year with its slimmer but robust build, but the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will leave an even more lasting impression. It will be thinner and lighter, consistent with the design language introduced by the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The cover screen could increase from 6.3 inches to 6.5 inches, and the main screen could increase from 7.6 inches to 8 inches. Also, a crease-free screen should improve the overall user experience. Number 2. Performance. The usage of flagship Snapdragon chipsets by Samsung is the norm with their foldable these days. Galaxy Z Fold 6 was driven by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor at 12GB of RAM, but it is likely that Galaxy Z Fold 7 would change its strategy to the adoption of either the Exynos 2500 chip or the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Whatever it is, there should be an easily perceptible performance gain on the level to push the phone's capabilities further still. Number 3. Camera upgrades. The camera configuration for Galaxy Z Fold 6 was a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. For Galaxy Z Fold 7, there is said to be a new 200-megapixel main camera, with even better quality and performance, likely taking technology from Galaxy S25 Ultra for an improved camera experience. Suggested devices for comparison. If you're considering alternatives to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, also look into the latest foldable devices from competitors. These devices are pushing the boundaries of design and functionality, offering comparable features at competitive prices. Price and availability. Samsung is expected to unveil the Z Fold 7 soon, with pre-order deals and discounts to follow. Keep an eye on official announcements for the best offers. It is expected that the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 will launch in July this year, and it will be priced at around $1,700. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.